Hey everyone, if you're new to Temu and wondering how to make your first purchase, I've got you covered. In just 2 minutes, I'll walk you through how to buy on Temu step by step. Let's go. First, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Temu app. If you're on your computer, just go to the Temu website. Once it's installed or loaded up, open the app or website and you're ready to go. Next, if you don't have an account, just tap on Sign Up. If you're a returning user, just log in with your details. Signing up is super simple. Just enter your info or log in through your email or social media accounts. Now let's find what you want. Browse through categories or use the search bar to find specific products that you're interested in. Temu has everything from home products, beauty products, so you'll definitely find something that you love. Once you've found your item, tap on it, select any options like color or size, and hit Add to Cart. You can add as many items that you like. Take your time. Your cart will keep track of everything until you're ready to check out. When you're ready to buy, tap on the cart icon, review your items and just hit Proceed to Checkout. Add the checkout into your shipping address and payment details. Temu accepts multiple payment methods including credit card and PayPal. Once everything looks good, hit Place Order and wait for your items to arrive. You will get a confirmation email and your order will be on its way. And that's it, you successfully bought items from Temu. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more tips. Happy shopping and I'll see you next time.